Okay, hi. Let's watch this lesson. This is Ionet, a training service. We usually do model training. You have to write your own code and then organize some servers yourself to train. If it is something more complicated, the amount of code will be larger. If you want to hurry up, we need to build more machines. Relatively troublesome. Ionet provides a SaaS-like service. It's software as a service. It's called TaaS, Training as Service. Just identify the requirements. The system will automatically help me with the training. We don't need an organization of machines. How to write code. Finally, all we need is the result of the trained model. And then, so let me show you. You can take a look. Get in here for training. Current situation. This is still in the closed beta stage. You need to place an order in this support portal. Then apply for some credits. It's still free, but you need to apply for it yourself. We can take a look. First start. Of course, you can take a look at its documentation. So that's the basic flow. So let's start with this. We choose the type of training we do. This is SVT, is the most commonly used. And the reward model. Tune a big one with a small one. This is PO. Similar to these types. After our big model is trained, continuous optimization of large models. The most commonly used is actually this, SVT. We pick a model. Let's take a look. The first. I can choose some official defaults. This is the most commonly used. We can also choose the models we train ourselves, like some research or homework. We can choose this. Take a look. This one. It's a model for some research papers I'm working on. These are custom models. Let's take a look. Put this link. Put it here. Do a test. Okay. Your own models are generally trained based on standard models. We can choose the dataset. Like that. You can choose your own dataset. These default datasets. Let's take a look. If you don't know the data content, you can check it yourself. But if you are doing this related research, generally, you can know the corresponding content at a glance. This is a wiki. If you don't know the content of the dataset, you can search in Hugging Face. Names generally correspond. At least the general name is the same. May not be exactly the same. Basically, it's all selected data by Hugging Face. In addition, you can also use your own data. Let's take a look. The one that comes with it is also the most commonly used. Write another one of your own. Common websites such as Hugging Face are included. Usually just upload it to Hugging Face. Is that so? There are several format definitions. Here you can see the uploaded dataset. You can also customize the data segmentation mode, etc. Common formats generally choose the default. Overall, first, determine the purpose of the training. Target, then model. Select the training dataset. Some formats can be customized. The training process can also be configured. Complex settings like these. Many model trainings are practiced differently. The main thing here is to set up some superparameters. Generally, just choose the default simple configuration. Then click Request. Because the system is still in the testing phase, you need to confirm receipt of an email. Follow the email reply to start the training. Of course, you need some credit. Something like this. And then you need to wait. There will be a confirmation email for you. It will be displayed here. Of course, you can take a look at the official documentation. Let's take a look at this training process. It's the following. And then finally, after the training is complete, you can download the model. Download the model. That's it for the class.